After the general speaker, what you have to say and how to establish this. How to establish the general speakers list, what you will say, I, the delegate of UK, or I, the delegate of India, would like to establish the general speakers list for total time being 90 seconds. This is the only line you have to speak. Now, what happens is, if you are left with some time, for example, my time is 90 seconds, but I did not cover 90 seconds. And I am to ask question to, yeah, that's what I am telling Parth now. Rutik, I will take the mod doubt afterwards. Now, if you're left with some time, what happens is, if the total time is 90 seconds, but you generally don't speak 90 seconds full. So, uh, how now you will speak? Now, if you're left with some time, so you can use that time by three ways. Okay. Now, how can the time be used by three ways? First, either yield it to another delegate, yield it to points of information, or yield it back to the chair. There are three ways that you can choose. Now, yield it to another delegate means, like, if I just speak for 50 seconds out of 90, and I am left with 40 seconds. So how will I use that time? I will yield it to another delegate. Let's say I am the delegate of India and Vihan is a delegate of UK. So if I just spoke for 50 seconds, then I can yield my 40 seconds to Vihan, where Vihan will get 90 plus 40, which is 120 seconds he will get. Now in mod caucus, how you do? Now how to establish a moderated caucus or an unmod caucus? Now in mod caucus, how do you do is, you will speak that I, the delegate of UK or Australia, any country that you have, would like to establish a moderated caucus for total time being 20 minutes and each speaker's time being 60 seconds. Okay, it's like you have to give the total time as well. Like, how much time will you use? Will whole committee use for moderated caucus? That is 20 minutes. And each speaker will say for 60 seconds on the topic. Now, the topic will be sub bifurcation of the main topic. Means, let our main topic is cyber security. So, moderated caucus topics will be different what effects of cyber security on nations, benefits and disadvantages of cybersecurity. So this will be taken. Now, how can you take up this? You will just say that as a delegate of India would like to establish moderated caucus for total time being 20 minutes, each speaker's time being 90 seconds or 60 seconds. On the topic, you have to state the subtopic, and subtopics you all will discuss when the WhatsApp group will be made. So this is to be done. Okay, and the purpose is to discuss about the current issue and to be make this discussion in more general terms. Okay, now after any delegate has raised a motion or have said the motion, the motion will be taken into voting procedure. After everything, voting will be done except attendance and quorum. So how now, if at times three motions will be taken, if one doesn't pass, the other will pass, and if the second pass, we won't be taking third into voting procedure. Now what we will do is, we'll take this motion to voting, and if you have got the majority votes, that will pass, and everybody will start discussing that, and then everybody has to speak that for 60 seconds if the time is 60 seconds. Okay, this can be done. Another way how can you use your mod is unmoderated caucus, where you freely have to discuss about anything among yourselves. Executive board will shut their camera down, will shut their audios down, and will go away from the meeting. You all will discuss among yourselves how to proceed further with the committee or what to discuss later. Can be used if you are facing some technical issue from your side. Okay, and your mic is not working, so you can raise a point of personal privilege, and you can say the delegate has this issue, so kindly take me later in this speech or something. Now, point of parliamentary inquiry means that if you're not able to understand what is going on in the committee, let's say I'm here, I am not able to understand what is going on in the committee. So I will raise a point of parliamentary inquiry and I will ask what is going on in the committee and what rules or procedures are we following in the committee. Point of order means if a person has used a different viewpoint, like not a viewpoint, but a fact which is wrong. Let's say I used Mumbai is the capital of India, but New Delhi is the capital of India. So the other person can say point of in order. Now EB will ask to whom point of order. You will say the delegate of India or the delegate of UK, Australia quoted. In quoted, you will speak the incorrect. You will speak New Delhi is the capital of Mumbai is the capital of India. Unquote, New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, first you have to say the wrong in quoted and then the correct in unquote. Yeah. Now position paper is submitted before the MUN. Now position paper is basically containing these three portions about what is your country, what is your country's position on the topic that is there for the committee. What has your country done to improve the situations? Okay, and what are the relational things that your country will be doing further? Question, but you didn't get an opportunity to ask a question in the GSL to the other delegate. So what you will do is you will make a chit where you will write to which delegate. Yeah, I know my presentation is stopped. So in the chit you will write to which delegate are you writing to from your country, and then you will write your content and always write via EB in the starting or at the end and send that in the WhatsApp group, and you will get your answer there in the group itself. Okay, every discussion to be done in the group. In the session now, thank you so much and hope to see you at the event.